Hello, everybody. Hola.
Habari. Hallo. Ni hao. Hallo.
Today, let's unpack the long-awaited Theta Fuel, TFuel. The goal of this video is to simplify Theta Fuel and make it very easy for you to understand. So do watch till the very end, and not only will you be able to make an investment decision, but you'll also have an insight into your very own price prediction on Theta Fuel. Now let's get started straight away. Theta Fuel, TFuel, is like digital fuel and money for the Theta network, which is a special kind of internet TV and video streaming platform. The main idea of the Theta network is that people can share their extra internet power to strengthen the network, to help videos stream better, and when they do, they get some TFuel as a thank you. What Theta Fuel does. Think of Theta Fuel as the energy that keeps everything running on the Theta network. It's used to pay the people who help share videos, pay for small jobs done on the network like creating and trading digital collectibles, keep the network safe and running smoothly. What does TFuel provide power for on the Theta network? 1. Sharing of videos. On Theta, when you watch a video and share it with others, you're not just watching, you're also helping the video reach more people. This can make videos load faster and clearer for everyone, even if they live in places where the internet isn't great. 2. Getting rewards. If you share your internet power on Theta, you get rewarded with TFuel. It's like getting a little thank you gift for helping out. 3. Paying for things. If you want to do something special on Theta, like set up a new digital collectible, you need to use some TFuel to make it happen. 4. Nodes on Theta. Nodes are like little workers on the Theta network that help make sure everything runs right. They all use TFuel. There are two main kinds: Guardian nodes and Edge nodes. Guardian nodes. These nodes are like the helpers who keep an eye on things. They help make sure all transactions and video shares are done correctly. Edge nodes. These are the nodes that help share the videos. If you're sharing your internet power with Theta, you're using an Edge node. From the Theta network website, here is an image of Theta network nodes. The green are the Guardian nodes. They keep the network safe and running smoothly. 2. Orange are the Edge nodes. They help to share videos. The red bits are Enterprise Validator nodes, responsible for the overall network consensus and stability. They are run by Samsung, Sony, Google and Binance, among others. So how does Theta Fuel benefit you and I? Theta Fuel, TFuel, is like digital pocket money that you can get and use on the Theta network. Here's why TFuel can be great for everyday folks. 1. Earning opportunities. By sharing your excess internet bandwidth through running an Edge node, you can earn TFuel tokens. This is great for people who have good internet connections and want to make some extra digital currency without much effort. 2. Supporting content and creators. TFuel can be used to tip your favorite content creators on the Theta network, directly supporting them and helping ensure they can continue making content you enjoy. It's a direct way to show them your support. 3. Accessing premium content. Some platforms might offer special content or features that you can access using TFuel. This means you can use the tokens you've earned to unlock movies, shows, or special online events. 4. Participating in decentralized video streaming. By using TFuel, you're part of a new way of streaming videos that's decentralized. This means you're helping to reduce the reliance on big centralized content delivery networks. 5. Engaging in the Theta community. Holding and using TFuel can make you an active member of the Theta community. You can participate in various network activities, governance, or community events, connecting with others who share your interests. 6. TFuel might grow in value as the Theta network grows and becomes more widely adopted. This could make the TFuel that you earn or hold grow more valuable in the future. 7. Low-cost transactions. Using TFuel for transactions on the Theta network typically comes with very low fees, especially compared to traditional online payment methods. How TFuel tokens are allocated. With a supply of 6.449 billion TFuel tokens, understanding the tokenomics of Theta Fuel involves looking at how these tokens are distributed, used, and how their supply and demand dynamics might affect their value. 1. Fixed quantity of TFuel tokens. There are only 6.449 billion TFuel coins and no more will be made. This limit can make them more valuable if lots of people want them because there's only so much to go around. Starting out. When TFuel first came out, people who already had Theta tokens got TFuel too. For every Theta token they had, they got 5 TFuel. Earning TFuel. People can earn more TFuel by helping to share videos on Theta. This way, the coins go to those who help make the network better. The more useful TFuel is, the more people will want it. Rewards for helping. Since people get TFuel for sharing their internet, it encourages more people to join in. The more people help out, the better the network can be. Burning TFuel. Sometimes when TFuel is used on the network, a little bit of it is burned or taken out of circulation forever. This can make the remaining TFuel rarer and increase its value. When looking at TFuel as a possible investment, consider a few things. More users. If more people start using the Theta network for watching and sharing videos, the demand for TFuel could go up, which might make its value go up too. Secondly, how it's used. The more things you can do with TFuel on the Theta network, the more valuable it might become. This includes new features or ways to use TFuel that make people want it more, and hence increasing its demand and then the value. Market trends. Like all digital money, TFuel's value can go up and down because of how people feel about it, what's happening in the world, and other factors. New tech. If the Theta network keeps getting better and adding cool new things, it could make TFuel more attractive to people, hence pushing up the demand and price of the TFuel tokens. With its fixed supply and various uses within the Theta network, TFuel's value is tied to how much the network is used and how it grows. For anyone thinking about TFuel, whether to earn it, spend it, or invest in it, understanding these points can help make better decisions. Have we made Theta Fuel simpler for you? We certainly hope so. Please share, like, and subscribe. It will surely help our channel a great deal along the way. Thank you. We wish you well. See you in the next video.